Calgary's a vibrant city where the big sky meets the plains. In Alberta, Canada, where the spirit still remains. At the meeting point of the prairies and the Rocky Mountains tall, it answers opportunities clear and distant call. There's a strong connection to Western heritage, you see. A modern urban hub, wild and yet free. It's Canada's energy center, the heart of the main flow. But there's so much more to this city's electric glow. Oh, Calgary, you shine so bright underneath the sun, with an entrepreneurial spirit till the day is done. A high quality of life is the promise that you keep, while the bow and the elbow river run cool and deep. From cowtown roots to a cosmopolitan air, you're the place where old traditions meet the future waiting there. It's the financial center of Western Canada, rich and bold, with the highest concentration of head offices to be told. A significant tech hub is rising into view. The oil and gas industry still powers through. We boast the highest personal income per capita round. A strong and thriving economy on solid ground. It's the third most diverse city in Canada, a welcome blend where community and culture seamlessly extend. Oh, Calgary, you shine so bright underneath the sun, with an entrepreneurial spirit till the day is done. A high quality of life is the promise that you keep, while the bow and the elbow river run cool and deep. From cowtown roots to a cosmopolitan air, you're the place where old traditions meet the future waiting there. The Calgary Stampede, a massive 10-day event. It's a major part of the city's identity, heaven sent. You can see Banff National Park and 4 UNESCO World Heritage Sites nearby. We're an ultimate sports city, reaching for the sky, with one of the lowest cost of living you can find, and an extensive park system for the body and the mind. Frequently named one of the most livable cities, this is true. In North America, Calgary is waiting just for you. Yeah, the Bow River flows right on, a diverse and strong, vibrant city from dusk till dawn. It's Calgary's rhythm, hear the pulse of the crowd. Calgary, standing modern and proud. Calgary's a vibrant city where the big sky distant call. There's a strong connection to Western heritage, you see. A modern urban hub, wild and yet free. It's Canada's energy center, the heart of the main flow. But there's so much more to this city's electric glow. Oh, Calgary, you shine so bright underneath the sun, with an entrepreneurial spirit till the day is done. A high quality of life is the promise that you keep, while the bow and the elbow river run cool and deep. From Cowtown roots to a cosmopolitan air, you're the place where old traditions meet the future waiting there. Of Western Canada, rich and bold, with the highest concentration of head offices to be told. A significant tech hub is rising into view. The oil and gas industry still powers through. We boast the highest personal income per capita around. In Canada, a welcome blend where community and culture seamlessly extend. Oh, Calgary, you shine so bright underneath the sun, with an entrepreneurial spirit till the day is done. A high quality of life is the promise that you keep, while the bow and the elbow river run cool and deep. From Cowtown roots to a cosmopolitan air, you're the place where old traditions meet the future waiting there. The Calgary Stampede, a massive 10-day event. It's a major part of the city's identity, heaven sent. You can see Banff National Park and four UNESCO World Heritage sites nearby. We're an ultimate sports city, reaching for the sky, with one of the lowest costs of living you can find, and an extensive park system for the body and the mind. Frequently named one of the most livable cities, this is true. In North America, Calgary is waiting just for you. Calgary, standing modern and proud.